In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use draw.io diagrams in Confluence and Jira. Let's start in Confluence. First, navigate to a page where you want the diagram to live, or create a new page if you're starting fresh. With the page in edit mode, go to the toolbar, choose Insert, then select View More. In the macro browser, search for draw.io diagrams and select it. If you don't see it, try the search field in the macro picker, and be aware that menu names can vary slightly depending on your version. You'll be prompted to create a blank diagram or start from a template. Templates can save time and give you a solid structure for common use cases like flowcharts, org charts, and network diagrams. Choose the one that fits, or pick a blank canvas if you prefer full control. The draw.io editor will open right inside Confluence. On the left, you'll find shape libraries you can drag onto the canvas. Connect shapes with arrows by dragging from the blue connection points. Connectors can auto-route around objects and stay attached as you move things. Use the Format panel to adjust colors, line styles, and fonts, and turn on snapping and alignment guides to keep everything neat and readable. Double-click to add text to shapes or connectors, and use zoom controls to focus on details without losing the big picture. When you're satisfied, click Publish. This saves and embeds the diagram on the Confluence page so your team sees the latest version immediately. If you need to update it later, open the page, click the diagram, and choose Edit. Your changes will replace what's on the page. Now let's switch to Jira. Open the issue where you want to add a visual. In the top right, open the Actions menu and choose Add Draw.io diagram. This launches the same editor, so you can build from scratch or start with a template. The same editing tips apply here. Drag and drop shapes, connect them clearly, and use consistent styling to improve readability. Keep Jira diagrams focused on the specific story, bug, or task. Shorter, targeted visuals are easier for teammates to digest in the context of an issue. When you're finished, click Save. The diagram is attached to the Jira issue and typically appears with a thumbnail so teammates can open it quickly. If you don't see the option to add a diagram, your site may not have the integration enabled. Check with your admin. And remember, if your diagram gets large, consider splitting it into smaller, related diagrams to keep performance snappy. That's it. You now know how to create, edit, and save